Welcome to WorldMark South Mountain here in Phoenix, Arizona, or Tempe, Arizona. This is a Wyndham resort that we're staying at this week here in Tempe, which is a suburb of Phoenix. And we get a garage because everything outside will melt in Phoenix if you don't put it under some type of cover. So we actually get a garage at this timeshare. So we're going to walk through the timeshare, show you what we got. For anyone that is interested in checking out a Wyndham timeshare here at South Mountain, Tempe, Florida. So yes, the garage door does lock. That is key activated. As is the front door right here, which I'm not going out, but that's just the front door. The resort is actually up these stairs here. A little bit of artwork comes along with it. So welcome to the resort room itself. Utility closet. Kitchenette with our setup here for the week. Well, actually, this is our kitchenette. That was the dining room table. This is our kitchenette. Full-size refrigerator and freezer. Coffee maker with coffee, of course. Full range and microwave, toaster, cutting utensils, full-size sink. The kitchenette comes fully equipped with silverware, cookware, including a bottle opener. More cookware in there, or cooking utensils in there. Pots and pans right there. Baking utensils there. More cooking utensils here. I have full dishwasher for people that don't want to do dishes. WorldMark resorts come with a Spiceology sample. Greek pepper, red pepper, garlic junkie. Cinnamon. We used one this morning. It was the sweet honey habanero spice. Pretty good. Plateware, bows. More plateware and bows. More serving bowls. Measuring cups, spoons, lids for the bowls. Collator, but here's a view of the outside here. Not a whole lot to see, but you do get a little bit of sunset looking backdrop to the to this hill behind the resort. Yep, you could hike that if you wanted to, but at 105 degrees, 107 degrees, I'm not. Our foyer here, lanai, if you want to call it that, patio. And then this is the living area. Well, the kitchenette does have these counter tables here. You sit at this counter if you want, or you can sit over here at the table there. A couple of cushions or ottomans to put your feet up with. Our entertainment system. This is a 2-bedroom. I'll show you the second bedroom first before I show you the master. This is the second bedroom, with a full-size bed. Could be a queen. Another view of the outside. Pretty good size walk-in closet here. Pretty decent walk-in closet space here. So there is the second bedroom with its own TV here. Its own dresser. And while we don't use the second bedroom, having the second bedroom provides the extra square footage. Across the hall is the Second bedroom restroom. Nothing special here, just your standard accommodations here. Beach towels, bath towels, washcloths. This is our laundry room with our hot water here, full-size water here, so plenty of hot water to work with. The typical washer and dryer, standard size, full size. Around the corner, this is the master bathroom. Again, nothing special here. Beach towels, single sink vanity, standard tub, shower. So that's the master bathroom. And then the master bedroom with our own TV in here. And another view of the outside looking at the hill. Now at the South Mountain Resort here in Tempe, Arizona, they actually have trails that go up into those hills. There's a pretty large area behind the resort to walk in, but that's basically what you see is desert, sand, and many cacti and bushes scattered about. So for people that like this type of environment, there you go. You can walk these mountains behind the resort. Final room, a nice large closet once again for storing your stuff while you're on vacation. So there you have it. The WorldMark South Mountain Resort, Tempe, Florida. A walkthrough of this resort in case you ever want to venture this way and check out this resort. Here's a sneak peek of what you will get for a 2-bedroom resort here at WorldMark South Mountain, Tempe, Florida. I keep saying Florida, Tempe, Arizona. Have a wonderful day. See you on the next video.